Hello everyone, welcome to video number 5 on the Restoration BX Pijpops. It's been a few months now since the last video, and I must say that in the winter time we didn't do a whole lot of work. We had new parts arriving, like the tubular steel down here for the bottom and rear of the car. Some new coolant hoses from Redox, silicon hoses are coming in, and as you can see on the back, we have done some work, like installing a tow bar, so that will be coming up in this video. And also this one's made new because the other ones at the bottom were very poor in state. They were almost rotten through. The whole rear frame was due to need to be redone, because you see this is so very rotten that it's not attached to anything. So decided to make everything new here, including that one, and with new braces and that kind of stuff. Made all from rectangular galvanized steel, so tubular steel, so it doesn't rust anymore on the inside. And what Pijpops did wrong was weld all the tubes together, but they didn't have drainage holes. So I've made drainage holes over here so that moisture, damp and that kind of stuff can flow out if there is anything in there. We also made struts on the side, and the struts are there because I can take it up on the lift. We have seen that the sills don't carry any load. It's all about the box construction that are giving the strength. So that's why we needed to make the whole back end strong again before we can lift it, because I had it once on the ramp and you can see that the rear was moving and buckling under the stress. So that's the decision, to make first the rear of the car strong again, and from there on we will see. And then we are removing the rear subframe, but that's for later use. We also started to install the tow bar from really scratch, an universal tow bar who can carry 2 tons. So hope that I will get it to the road safety inspection and that kind of stuff. The videos are, I must say, not that exciting, but I'll give you a sneak peek, and hope you enjoy the video. And I'll see you after the video. Bye bye. First time it's going up the lift, so pretty exciting to see what's underneath it. So I hope you did like the video I made. I wanted to show you this before the Citroën Mobile in Holland this weekend. We will be there with our Red BX Sport. So if you have any questions from me, because the chance is big that you bump into me on the Citroën Mobile on Sunday, I will be there on Sunday, and I'll talk to you guys later, or I'll see you at the next video. Okay, bye bye.